Hello everyone. Let's do this quick video. It's gonna be small and quick. It's just about one trade for one setup that I like. In this case, is the bottom setup. I move back in time so I can simulate that for you. So on May 2nd, I received this notification from my scan saying that there was a bottom reversal. And I didn't take this trade right here. The reason is because, how you can see here, that happened the same like a few months ago before, and it was a weak pattern. I was a stop out really quickly. So for this one, I wanted to wait a little bit more before taking the decision. In this case, I like the stock moving in a downtrend, in a negative place for a while. So it's gonna be really weak in volume, but also it's gonna, in the volatility indicator, is gonna be trending down. The relative strength is gonna be weak. In this case in particular, something that I like is that there is a divergence between the price and the relative strength. So right there is good, and then the relative strength is moving to the positive side. The stock is moving, it's changing the character, maybe create an uptrend. At this moment, I don't know. So what I decided to do is wait for a few days. In this case, I waited for almost a week. So I moved to May 8th. Oh, wait, you can see here, the stock started consolidating. Let me maximize this. The stock consolidated for 5 days in a very narrow range. And in this day, I see this doji, and the volume was above the normal, 1.73%. And at this point, the consolidation looks so good, right? It's so narrow. It looks like a squeeze. The ADR is still high. I like it. Volume is good here. I have more indication in my volatility indicator. It's saying that it's an uptrend. So yeah, it's time to get in. At this moment, I took the trade. I set the stop loss below these EMAs. From there, everything went good. Let's move 1 week. So this is May 15. So at this moment, the stock started moving up. If I move to today, yeah, you're gonna see that it continued trending until today. Now, if I manage this trade in the way that I usually do, ride the trend, put the stop loss. But in this case in particular, based on the situation in the market, the volatility, the earnings were coming. So I decided to take my profits. And surprise, on the earnings call, it gave up. It didn't care about tariff. ELF, in my opinion, it was something that could be affected by the tariff. And in this case, I decided to exit. So this is the trade. It's in an uptrend. It's a bottom reverse. It's a very simple trade. I need to check some key information, wait for some consolidation, good range, the relative strength continue going up, the volatility indicator continue moving up. That's a trade.